Step 1. Eligibility requirements. Before you can become an armed security guard in Florida and receive a Class G license, you must qualify for both unarmed and armed licensure through the Florida Department of Agriculture and Consumer Services. To qualify, you must be at least 18 for unarmed license, be at least 21 for armed license, be legally authorized to work in the U.S., have no disqualifying felonies, be eligible to possess a firearm under state and federal law, pass state and federal background checks, possess valid government-issued photo ID. This is a note for Florida. Security licensing is handled by FDACS Division of Licensing, not police departments. Step 2. Do you need to be licensed as an unarmed guard first? In Florida, yes. You must obtain a Class D unarmed security officer license and hold that license before applying for the Class G armed license. There is no direct armed only license. I've already made a video called How to Get a Security Guard License in Florida 2025, outlining that process, which you can find in my state-by-state guard card guide playlist, and also in the link in the description. Step 3. Firearm eligibility. Florida separates armed authority into a completely different license, Class G. To qualify, you have to be 21, hold a valid Class D license, be legally eligible to possess a firearm, and complete state-approved firearms training. Step 4. Complete your Class G firearms training. This is the armed upgrade in Florida. Training includes 28 hours total, classroom instruction, firearm safety, legal use of deadly force, live fire range qualification. Training must be completed through a state-certified instructor. Your instructor submits certification directly to FDACS. This process has a lot of moving parts, but I made a How to Get an Armed Guard License PDF that gives a general guideline of the process. You can grab it on my Beacons or Etsy pages. Links are in the description. Step 5. Apply for your Class G armed license. To apply, you must already have an active Class D, Class G firearms training completed through a state-certified instructor, electronic fingerprints submitted for the Class G license, a passport-style photo, the required FDACS application fee. This is an important note for Florida. Florida does not provide a single public apply here page for Class G licensing. In practice, most Class G applications are submitted electronically through FDACS systems by your training school or through FDACS approved online workflows tied to the Division of Licensing. Step 6. Understand what your Class G license allows. The key rules. You may carry only while on duty. Carry must be open or duty holstered. This is not a concealed carry license. Off-duty carry requires a separate CCW. Violating these rules can permanently revoke your armed license. Step 7. Let's talk cost and what armed guards make in Florida. Starting from scratch, Class D training is $100 to $200. Fingerprinting is $50 to $80. The Class D license fee is about $45. Class G is $250 to $400. Class G license fee around $112. The total is from $550 to $850. And for perspective, costs exclude firearm, ammunition, holster, and duty gear. BLS data doesn't distinguish between armed and unarmed guards, so the median Florida security guard wage is around $17.35 an hour. According to Indeed, armed guards average around $20.34 an hour, roughly $3 more per hour for going armed. Step 8. License renewal. Class D and G licenses are valid for 2 years. Renewal is completed online through FDACS. Firearms requalification is required to renew Class G. Failure to renew on time will suspend the armed status. Step 9. Once approved, you can apply for armed security positions statewide. Search job boards like Indeed. Join r/guard guides and check my Etsy and Beacons pages for tools, checklists, and templates. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more guard guides, and be safe.